Now I know that you all probably remember the iconic Aisha Takia from Taza the Wonder Car and Pachala. पर अगर आप भी मेरे जैसे क्यूरियस कीड़े हैं तो आपको भी पता होगा that she has been under the radar for quite some time now. तो भला what transpired of our favorite childhood actress Aisha Takia. I am Aditi and this is what the fuck happened to Aisha Takia. आयशा टाकिया की बॉलीवुड करियर की स्टार्ट हुई थी साल 2000 में फाल्गुनी पाठक के सॉन्ग्स के साथ. And this was very impressive considering कि she was still in her teenage years when she was doing all of this. सिर्फ 4 साल के अंदर उन्होंने अपनी पहली आइकॉनिक मूवी टार्ज़न द वंडर कार करी. एंड ऑब्वियसली इस मूवी के लिए उन्हें काफ़ी ज़्यादा सराहा गया, स्पेशली बिकॉज शी बिकेम instantly popular within the younger generations. उनकी न्यू गर्ल एंड फ्रेश पर्सनालिटी टाइप वाइब was very appealing to the masses, especially because उस टाइम बॉलीवुड में actresses were primarily just playing candy girl types of roles. But Aisha was different. उन्होंने अपने करियर में कई तरीके के रोल्स करे and she never stuck to just one genre of movies. सेम ईयर में उन्होंने एक ब्लॉकबस्टर कॉमेडी मूवी करी टाइटल दिल मांगे मोर एंड इस रोल के लिए उन्हें स्क्रीन अवार्ड एंड जी सिने अवार्ड मिला फॉर द बेस्ट डेब्यूट ऑफ द ईयर इन द फीमेल कैटेगरी. एंड ये साल उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट था बिकॉज शी इंस्टेंटली बिकेम अ हिट इन कमर्शियल सिनेमाज. बट स्टेइंग ट्रू टू हर रूट्स, शी इज़ अ वेरी डाइवर्स पर्सन एंड शी स्टक टू प्लेइंग डाइवर्स रोल्स. उन्होंने कई सारे रोल्स किए, सिर्फ हिंदी नहीं बल्कि तेलुगु एंड मलयालम सिनेमा में भी. एंड जस्ट लाइक अस हिंदी सिनेमा फैंस, शी वॉज एक्सट्रीमली वेल लाइक्ड इन दोज टू cinemas as well. During her career, she also worked with some of the most celebrated Indian stars of all time, including Salman Khan, Prabhudeva, and Shahid Kapoor. And I know for a fact that most of you guys, including me, we became an Aisha Takia fan just because of Pachala. Like, be so fucking real. And while her professional career was at an all-time high, her personal life was not so much. You see, even before making her debut in Bollywood, she was in a complicated relationship with Siddharth Koirala, the brother of Manisha Koirala. But things didn't work out and the relationship unfortunately fizzled out. इसके बाद she dated Amisha Patel's brother Ashmit Patel and for a few months the relationship was seemingly going great until it wasn't. So it just so happened that an intimate video of Ashmit along with Riya Sen went viral. And obviously after this revelation, Aisha broke things off with Ashmit, leading to her second breakup. Now after these 2 consecutive breakups, Aisha ended up dating a restaurateur named Farhan Azmi and they ended up dating for 2 years before getting married. And trust me, you guys just don't have any idea about the age timeline of Aisha Takia because by this point she was only 23 and she was working in Bollywood for close to a decade. That is crazy. Now the couple tied the knot in 2009 through a Muslim nikah, which led to speculations that she has basically converted into Islam. And these rumors were kind of later confirmed by Aisha herself by adding the surname Azmi to her last name. Now this did not sit well with some of her fans because they did not approve of her marrying a Muslim man. But let's be honest, Aisha was an adult and she can literally do anything she wants done. And unfortunately this just seems to be a common theme with celebrities क्योंकि हर इंसान जो कि सोशल मीडिया या किसी भी टाइप के मीडिया के थ्रू कनेक्टेड रहता है वो एक या दूसरे तरीके से इन सेलिब्रिटीज़ की पर्सनल लाइफ को देखता है और उन्हें जज करता है, which is just pathetic. Anyways, after her marriage, she ended up saying goodbye to her Bollywood career and she stopped acting for good. But obviously the inevitable happened. जब 2020 यानी कि कोविड के पीक टाइम पे आयशा ने अपना इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट खोला एंड उस इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पे उन्होंने अपने काफ़ी सारे न्यूली कलेक्ट पिक्चर्स अपलोड करे जिसमें apparently she had done some cosmetic work to her face and the internet blew up. Like, if you look at her current pictures, you can see that she has done some major Botox work to her face. And apparently, people these days don't understand the difference between Botox and cosmetic surgeries. So, people started flooding her Instagram comments with notions like she has ruined her face and she looked better before, and how they don't like her anymore, and all those kinds of negative stuff that literally nobody wants to hear. And clearly Aisha was very impacted by these statements because she quickly took down her entire Instagram account. And let's be honest, it was quite a long time since she was in the public eye, तो उन्हें naturally इतनी सारी attention अपने ऊपर अच्छी नहीं लगी. But you know what, this is one of those situations where I put the blame on the netizens. Like, literally, if you look at her face, you can clearly tell that she only has Botox on her face. I cannot see any major differences that would allude to a cosmetic surgery. So making fake claims against anybody's face is just not okay. And जिन्हें नहीं पता, मैं उन्हें ये बता दूं कि बोटॉक्स इज नथिंग बट जस्ट हाइलुरोनिक एसिड शॉट. ये आप काफी इजीली अपनी फेस में इंजेक्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड अगर आपको ना पसंद आए तो आप डिजोल्व भी करवा सकते हैं. Which means that it is highly unlikely कि Aisha की Botox work was botched, because if she didn't like it, she could easily dissolve it, but she didn't do it because naturally she likes it and she approves of her new look. That plus one more thing, remember the last time we saw the Aisha Takia we knew, she was just 23. And that was almost 10 years ago. तब से लेके अभी तक उनकी फेस में कुछ natural changes भी आए हैं, more likely than not because of her aging. In fact, you can clearly see in some of her before and after pictures that she has basically lost her teenage features, which is very normal. And she has turned into this beautiful woman in her mid-30s.
एक चीज आ जाए then everybody has a comment and it just spreads like wildfire. So the best thing is to stay away. There's no point defending something that's untrue anyway. So I just stayed away from it and it blew over.
Can I tell you, I'm looking at her right now. She's as radiant, as fresh, as real as it gets.
But let's just say, even if it was a boxed Botox job, I don't think that it is anybody's place to tell her what to do with her life. Like, if I could, I would love to get my nose done, but obviously I cannot do it, but she can, and good for her. Just after a few months, Aisha ended up reactivating her Instagram account, and she clapped back hard on her haters, telling them that it is none of their business to interrupt in her personal life as she's not a star anymore. And you know what? I agree with her, especially because she does not even know that they exist, so it's not like our opinion would matter anyways.
लड़का दिल्ली का है, ऊपर से पुलिस में है, अच्छी पोस्ट पे है,
नाम क्या है उसका?
राजवीर रंधावा.
And so that will do it for this video, guys. If you did like this video, then please don't forget to leave a comment down below telling us what do you think about Aisha Takia before versus now. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, because I work really hard to bring these videos to you guys. Until then, this is going to do it. Bye bye.